Welcome to the AI Virtual Fitting channel. In this space, we explore how AI-powered virtual fitting brings innovation and engagement to events and interactive experiences. AI Virtual Fitting, quick, easy, and stylish at your fingertips. Choose from a wide range of outfits. Switch between styles instantly. Capture photos with smart background removal. No green screen needed. Backgrounds are easily replaced with full support for customization. Simply stand in front of the camera and your image is captured automatically. Explore a huge variety of creative frames or upload your own. Backgrounds can be changed freely, too. Enjoy real-time rendering. Outfits switch instantly with realistic effects. Add brand stickers, personal signatures, and creative touches to make it unique. When your creation is ready, scan the QR code to save your personalized image instantly. Or print your exclusive fashion photo on the spot. Take home your stylish moment. AI Virtual Fitting. Unlock a brand new fashion experience where technology meets creativity. Meanwhile, photos come to life on the big screen wall, creating a stunning visual display.